The Arab African Trade Bridges Initiative, or AATB, focuses on improving conditions that would allow for more flow of investments and higher trade volumes between the two players that currently stands at less than 6% compared to trade with the rest of the world.
African countries need a lot to elevate their trade. Manufacturing and their quality production needs more attention. This continent has been blessed with a huge wealth of resources. Therefore, the continent needs technology transfer, working on integration and making use of this huge potential and large population that will reach 2 billion in a few years. We are keen on supporting its development.
The meetings in Cairo have been taking place amidst a raft of global crises, but officials are confident the continent can withstand these issues.
One of the main privileges is it's a young population. We have 60% of the population under the age of 30, so it's a very young population. So we have a lot of talent that we can build on, a lot of intellectual capital and human capital that we can build on. 22 of these African countries have done a lot of structural reforms, and the economic growth have witnessed quite a substantial growth during the past few years, even within the COVID.
Benin is one of the countries attending the event as it seeks to benefit from the cooperation offered through the initiative.
We want to move from the station of agricultural production for export to really transformation of the product. So the industrial sector, manufacturing sector will certainly benefit from this AATB institution, especially the knowledge in the Arab world now in manufacturing is quite broad, and we are going to take advantage of it to manufacture our goods and export to Arab region.
Some of the drawbacks mentioned are lack of information and difficulties in financial transactions. This is being addressed by upgrading digital transformation, promoting e-commerce, and digitizing intra-African financial and trade transactions. These efforts will also help foster Africa's drive for a continental free trade area.
We offer a market of 1.3 billion people with a combined GDP of $3.4 trillion. And so this is a very, very strong platform for continuing trade and investment relations. Well, I think we need to focus on specific areas such as small, medium enterprises, value chains such as agro-processing, and investing in productive sectors of Africa's economy. That's really where we will see the benefits.
And one of the main vehicles to help transform this initiative into a reality is the Arab Bank for Economic Development in Africa.
The Arab Bank for Economic Development in Africa has been established especially to strengthen economic cooperation between the Arab and African countries. It focused first on funding state-owned projects, but lately has been funding the private sector investments and trade. We have now increased our budget to finance Arab exports to Africa and African exports to Arab countries, as well as intra-African trade.
Members have acknowledged the need for integration between both regions. This partnership will guarantee growth and development amidst the geopolitical tensions and the global economic constraints. Yasser Hakim for CGTN, Cairo.